Hello, and thank you for watching the news channel. My name is Peter Vekselman from coachingbypeter.com. What foreign investors see in U.S. real estate? There's a pent-up demand on the part of foreign investors wanting to invest in the U.S. real estate markets. This pent-up demand may be much larger than most domestic investors realize, and changes may be coming to market to unleash this demand. Here's a quote from a recent survey by the Association of Foreign Investors in Real Estate. It shows the majority of foreign investors find the U.S. remains the country offering the most stable and secure option for real estate investment dollars. Foreign investors in commercial real estate say that improved property fundamentals and the repeal of the FIRPTA would have the strongest impact on their decisions to grow their real estate investments in the U.S. markets. FIRPTA is the Foreign Investment in Real Estate Property Tax Act. According to Real Estate Roundtable, FIRPTA results in foreign investors paying a higher tax on all of their capital gains. While foreign investors would like to see this tax fully repealed, that isn't likely to happen anytime soon. However, the House Ways and Means Subcommittee on Select Revenue Measures is considering revisions to this tax bill. If this happens, it will likely bring billions of dollars in foreign investment to the U.S. The recent changes are being considered to FIRPTA is in anticipation of investments that will help stabilize the U.S. real estate markets, the lending markets, create jobs, and further stimulate economic growth. In his testimony before the subcommittee, Real Estate Roundtable President and CEO Jeffrey DeBoer reminded the committee of a statement made by our president, who said, "Investments by foreign domiciled companies and investors create well-paying jobs, contribute to economic growth, boost productivity, and support the American communities." Congress moves slowly, but there could be growing momentum to make significant changes to the FIRPTA that unleashes the pent-up demand and the part of investors to invest and lawmakers to grow this economy. In the fourth quarter of 2011, the James A. Greenspan Center for Real Estate in Wisconsin School of Business conducted a survey of leading foreign investors. The survey found that currently investors hold $338 billion in U.S. real estate. Globally, all across border investments total $874 billion. Without a doubt, the U.S. is highly favored on a global scale for real estate investments. Should the tax law change, a significant amount of existing and new investment money is likely to find its way over here. Domestic investors need to be aware where a majority of this money is likely to flow. The same survey listed these top 10 cities as receiving the most investment money last year. The top 10 cities that actually received this money are New York City, Washington, D.C., San Francisco, Boston, Los Angeles, Atlanta, Seattle, Houston, Austin, and Miami. It's not surprising to find New York, Washington, San Francisco, Boston, and Atlanta at the top of the list. The lower section of the list is more revealing, with strong interest in different Texas cities. The survey also stated that the top 5 cities from 2011 remain the most likely to see significant improvement during the 2012 year. Looking at the data by commercial sector is also very, very important. The fourth consecutive year, and by a significant margin, multifamily remains the favored property type for these investors. Multifamily, industrial, office space, retail, and hotels. Of those responding to this year's survey, 60% that they said that they plan to increase their U.S. real estate investments. 59% said the U.S. offers the most stable and secure real estate investments at a global level, the highest number since 2006. With all that said, reform of the FIRPTA would be a significant game changer. It's a major piece of real estate legislation that needs to be watched during the 2012 year. One of my goals is to constantly provide you with some great tools, resources, information to help you grow and prosper in the real estate industry. In the last 15 years, I myself have completed over 1,200 real estate deals. So my two passions in life are, number one, for me to constantly grow and prosper
as a real estate investor. And number two, help individuals like yourself do the same thing. So what I'd like to do is give you the opportunity to ask me whatever is on your mind. Simply click on the link below and you'll be taken to a special web form where you can ask me anything you'd like, whether it's how I could personally work with you and help you become wildly successful in the real estate investing industry, or any other real estate investing question. Simply type in your question on that web form, it'll come directly to me, and then I'll get back directly with you.